Hi, this is Jon Leslie. Let me walk you through the simple project planner and task list templates. Sometimes you only need a basic project plan to prioritize deliverables, assign owners, set dates, and track progress. The simple project planner combined with task list templates are an ideal place to start. We'll begin with the simple project planner template. First, you need to give it a name, as with any collection template. Then set visibility. Will this be private to certain individuals or groups, visible to the entire organization, or maybe even visible to the public in certain scenarios? We'll choose organization for this one. And here you see we have two sample boards, project deliverables for this week and project deliverables for next week. This could be organized any way you choose, of course. It could be by month, by week, by quarter, but we'll continue on with this example by week. So here we have the project deliverables. Business cards, venue hire, design for web page. Let's add hire a freelancer. Set a priority. Assign a team member. Set progress. Here you can see a separate status for whether this deliverable is approved or not by whoever happens to review it. And set start and end dates. Since this is set to high priority, you're able to move these cards in the Sheets view. Let's drag it to the top, make it more visible. All Favro cards are clickable, opening up the full screen pop-up. Here you can set values for any of the existing fields, add a custom field, start further defining the deliverable in this case, add checklists, images, full formatting options, add attachments, and since cards are collaborative real-time documents, any team member can add comments. Like so. Adding a row to any existing board is as simple as clicking this plus icon here. Let's add a web link. Select the correct type. And now we can add fully clickable URLs. All Favro boards have 3 different views of the same exact cards. Here we're looking at the Sheets view. If you wanted to work in a more flow-based way, you could switch to the Kanban view, where you can drag cards from left to right to get them to done, for example. And the third view is the timeline view, where you're able to manipulate cards on a timeline. Like so. Now let's check out the task list collection template. I've already gone ahead and created a collection from this template here. These 2 template boards are the ideal place to start assigning tasks to team members. You can assign on the card, or you can assign directly inline on the sheets. Now let's combine the simple project planner with the task list collections. In Favro, this is easy to do since boards and backlogs in Favro can exist in multiple places at the same time. Let's say here we're tracking the high-level deliverables, and we're tracking the tasks for those deliverables in that task list collection. We can actually pull in one of the task list boards from the task list collection by clicking here and saying, add from another collection. We can search for the board we're looking for. It's already suggested the correct board this week, task list. And now this board exists here, and it also exists in the task list collection. Any changes made here, for example, we'll change task 2 to medium, are automatically reflected in the task list collection. You even have the ability to link, in this case, maybe a deliverable to its tasks. Let's say we want to connect this deliverable designed for web page. We want to link it to the tasks involved. Let's first change the name of this board to make it more explicit. like this. We'll then click on the card, click the link icon, select Favro Cards, Boards, and Backlogs, where we can link this card to either Favro Cards, a Favro board, or a Favro backlog. We're going to link to that board. Search for it, scroll down to Backlogs and Boards, and select the board we're looking for. Now we have a link from this card to the board where all the tasks for this deliverable exist. You can also see the link here on the board. Once you have a collection set up exactly the way you want it, it's a great idea to create a template of that collection for future use. To do that, simply click here, go to Additional Options, Save as Template, give it a name, who you want to share it with, if anyone, create it, and from that point forward, it will always be available here, created by your organization. Here's the template we just created, which can be used at any time in the future. Thanks, and good luck with Favro.